This is going to be a Udimi review for complete beginners.
And I'm going to tell you some good things and bad things about this website.
First of all, Udimi is a directory of solo ad sellers. And basically, these are people that can promote your affiliate offer to their email list.
For example, as you can see on the screen, I have experimented with these sellers. Here I bought 100 clicks and this seller gave me 110 clicks.
And as an affiliate marketer, this is a way that we can use to grow our email list. But you need to know that you are just buying clicks.
So if I click on find sellers, I can filter by visitors, ratings for the max price, if people got sales for niche, or repeat orders. Here you can choose how much money are you willing to pay for the clicks. Or if you want to choose a seller that has 30% of repeat orders. All you need to do is click on the person, then you need to scroll down and choose how many clicks you will buy from him. Here you need to put the link of your funnel, and the next step is to go to the checkout page. Another thing that you can do is that instead of put only your link of the funnel, you can click here to add text and you can write your own email.
It's important for you to know that the solo ad sellers only delivers clicks. That's why if you're going to use this traffic strategy, you need to have a long-term view, because probably you are not going to get sales, but you can get leads. And if you nurture your email list, you can make sales. For example, what I do is that if I bought solo ads, I send those leads to a free affiliate marketing training, because I know that they're going to get so much value from that training. And if you want to get access to my #1 recommendation to make money with high-ticket affiliate marketing, you can click the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and God bless.